Hello everyone and welcome back to our emergency series running the entire month of May. It's May 5, so May Day 5. So now everyone worries about an engine failure on takeoff, right? But a partial engine failure on climb out is probably more likely to happen to you than a complete engine failure. In fact, a complete engine failure might even begin with a partial engine failure. So what's dangerous about a partial engine failure is that it's easy to be lured into making some unwise choices, right? So your engine isn't completely dead, but at some point it might be dead. So the thing here is you don't know how much time you have, so it's better to play it safe and start following your ABCs like you would a full engine failure. So A is for airspeed, right? So push the nose forward from your climb angle to more level and see what you can maintain with the reduction of power, right? If you can't even maintain altitude, then you're definitely going to be treating this as a full engine failure, but your glide distance will be improved a little bit. So then look for your best place to land next and then follow the checklist. Now let's say you can maintain altitude, right? Should you treat this any differently? Well, whatever you decide to do, I think you always want to be in gliding range of a suitable landing spot. So if you have a series of suitable landing spots leading back to the airport, then that sounds like a safe path to follow, right? However, if a return to the airport is over dicey terrain or a densely populated area, is probably not worth the risk. However, even a slight further degradation of your engine can turn your ability to maintain level flight into a descent. And then even if you can maintain, say, 100 feet per minute climb, as soon as you start banking the aircraft, your slight climb will likely turn into a slight descent, right? So after airspeed, spot the land, follow your checklist. Potentially something like carb heat might help your rough running engine. So to recap, don't let the partial engine failure lead you down a road over hostile terrain because you still have some power, right? Always assume it will quit at any moment. Because of this, nail your airspeed, head to a suitable landing site, right? If you can maintain altitude on the way, great. When you get there, reevaluate, potentially head to the next field and then the next field. And then ideally you end up back at the airport at your landing site, right? But if it does quit along the way, or you find you can't maintain altitude anymore, then head to your predetermined landing site. So thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed day 5. See you tomorrow on day 6 and fly safe.